We often hear that 0 factorial is equal to 1. So what's the logic behind this concept? Like for instance, if I take 2 factorial, so 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1. If I take 3 factorial, so this is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. But here we can observe one thing. As 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1, I can observe that we have 2 times 1 over here as well. So that means 3 factorial can then be represented as 3 times 2 factorial. Why? Because 2 times 1 is equal to 2 factorial. Likewise, if I write 4 factorial, so 4 factorial can be written down as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But here we can observe that we have 3 times 2 times 1, which can be written as 3 factorial. That means 4 factorial can be represented as 4 times 3 factorial. Now, this concept will be used to understand the concept of 0 factorial being equal to 1. Let's consider n factorial. N factorial will be equal to n times n minus 1, n minus 2, and it will keep going on until it reaches 1. So the thing is, like we discussed over here, so 2 factorial was 2 times 1, and I can see this thing inside 3 factorial here. Likewise, in 4 factorial, I can see there is a 3 factorial inside. So just to summarize this concept, a number having factorial can be written in this form. The number will be copied as it is times 1 less than that number with a factorial. That means n factorial can be written down in this way. N factorial will be equal to this n right here will be copied times 1 less than n factorial. And then I can just take this n on the left hand side. So that means it can be written as n minus 1 factorial is equal to n factorial over n. I have just interchanged the positions, but it still makes the same sense. Now, because we need to obtain a 0, that means I have to keep n equal to 1. That means 1 minus 1 will basically give me a 0. So as I have kept n equal to 1, so at every single point, I'll have to keep n equal to 1. That means I have 0 factorial, and on the right hand side 1 factorial is just 1, and 1 over 1 is just 1. So this was a simple proof that why exactly 0 factorial is equal to 1. There is one more concept that is based upon the concept of gamma function, but this logic will be discussed in one of the next videos.